Here is topology, set up port filtering. Login management page. Audit a filtering. A port filtering, it's needed to set up IP group and time group before setting port filtering policy. Audit a group policy. A time group and IP group, for example, set up time period from 8 a.m. to 18 hours p.m. IP address for testing is 192.168.0.80. Setup IP range from 192.168.0.2 to 192.168.0.100. All such secure transfers are done using port 443, the standard port for HTTPS traffic. Internet is disconnected. Internet is connected after deleting the policy.